Welcome to this video on digital marketing industry growth. After watching this video, you'll be able to explain how digital marketing has evolved into a core business function, identify key factors driving its rapid growth, and describe the impact of mobile access, e-commerce, AI, and emerging technologies on the industry. You will also be able to recognize the career opportunities created by the industry's expansion, including high job demand, flexible work options, and the benefits of continuous skill development for long-term career success. Companies of all sizes, from startups to multinational corporations, are leveraging digital channels to reach their audiences more effectively than ever before. Digital marketing has transformed from a niche strategy to a core business function. The growth of digital marketing has become an essential part of business success, with organizations allocating significant resources to online advertising and engagement strategies. This expansion is evident in several key areas. Businesses are increasingly investing in digital advertising, focusing on search engine marketing, social media promotions, and influencer partnerships. Industry leaders like Google, Meta, Facebook, and Amazon dominate digital ad revenue, providing brands with sophisticated tools to target consumers with precision. The rise of e-commerce has also accelerated digital marketing adoption. Consumers rely on digital platforms for product discovery, research, and purchasing decisions. Businesses use AI-driven recommendations, retargeting ads, and social commerce features to enhance the online shopping experience. Furthermore, social media and content marketing play a critical role in brand engagement. With over 4.6 billion social media users worldwide, platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are shaping marketing trends. Brands are focusing on storytelling, influencer collaborations, and community engagement to strengthen their visibility and credibility. Several factors contribute to the rapid expansion of digital marketing and its dominance in the advertising landscape. The widespread penetration of mobile devices and internet access has made digital platforms the primary medium for communication, entertainment, and commerce. With over 5.3 billion people using the internet globally, mobile usage now accounts for the majority of web traffic. Data-driven marketing and AI integration have revolutionized customer targeting and personalization. Businesses leverage machine learning algorithms to analyze consumer behavior, optimize ad placements, and refine content strategies. AI-powered tools such as chatbots, automated email marketing, and predictive analytics enhance marketing efficiency and effectiveness. The expansion of digital marketing channels continues to create new opportunities for advertisers. Emerging technologies such as the metaverse, NFTs, and blockchain-based marketing are opening innovative pathways for brand engagement. Voice search, augmented reality, and virtual reality are shaping the next phase of consumer interaction. Even traditional digital channels like email marketing are evolving, with AI-driven personalization enhancing customer engagement. Digital marketing offers high job demand and security, making it a resilient career path. The field offers diverse career paths and specializations, including content marketing, paid advertising, social media management, and data analytics. Professionals can transition between roles or specialize in high-demand areas such as performance marketing or e-commerce optimization. Digital marketing careers offer flexibility with remote work and freelance opportunities on the rise. Many professionals work as independent consultants, serving multiple clients and building personal brands. The industry's constant evolution demands continuous learning certifications from platforms like Google, HubSpot, and Facebook enhance expertise, while proficiency in AI-driven marketing and automation tools secures long-term career growth. Digital marketing provides high earning potential with rising salaries for specialized roles in SEO, PPC, and data analysis. Experienced marketers can secure better job opportunities, negotiate higher pay, and drive long-term career growth. To illustrate how the industry's growth benefits individual careers, let's explore the journey of a digital marketing professional. Emma started her career as a content writer for a small agency, but quickly recognized the potential of SEO and social media marketing. Over the years, she gained expertise in digital strategy and earned certifications in Google Analytics and Facebook ads. She transitioned into a digital marketing manager role, overseeing multi-channel campaigns and paid media. Eventually, Emma became a marketing director at a mid-sized company, leading digital transformation efforts. Today, she works as an independent consultant, earning a six-figure income while working remotely for international clients. Her adaptability and commitment to continuous learning enabled her to capitalize on the industry's growth, unlocking higher paying and more flexible career options. In this video, you learned that digital marketing has become a core business function, driving major investments across industries. Businesses are focusing on digital ads through search engines, social media, and influencers. E-commerce growth and AI are enhancing online shopping experiences. Social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram are key for brand engagement. Mobile access, data-driven strategies, and AI are fueling digital marketing's rapid rise. Emerging tech like the metaverse and voice search are shaping future trends. The industry offers strong job demand, diverse career paths, and remote work opportunities. Specialized skills lead to high earning potential, and Emma's career shows how adaptability and continuous learning unlock success.